Hey, I'm Lindsay and here are my top 5 easy tips that you can do to connect with nature now. 1. Go on a garden safari. See how many bugs and butterflies you can find in 15 minutes. 2. Plant a herb or wildflower patch. Now you can do this outside or in an egg box in your kitchen. 3. Go cloud gazing. This is so easy. Lie on your back, look up and see what shapes you can see. Hey, you can even do this one through a window. 4. Make a wildlife pond. Even if you put out a small bucket of water and some plants, the wildlife will come. And 5. Do a bird count. Encourage the birds in by putting out water and seed, and hey, you can even make your own fat balls. Good luck!